All right, guys, we are live here with 2014 Leaf Autograph Jersey Box. I'm going to put up everybody in the break. Mickey B has the Cardinals, Falcons, and Ravens. Tom N with the Bills. Mark B with the Panthers. Jason M with the Bears. Mark B with the Bengals. Tim C with the Browns. Jason M with the Cowboys. Tim C with the Broncos. Ben R with the Lions. David P with the Packers and the Texans. My boy Mickey B with the Colts, Jaguars, Chiefs, and everybody's least favorite team, the Dolphins. Tim C with the Vikings, Anthony C with the Patriots, Mickey B with the Saints, his awesome brother with the Giants, Derek C with the Jets, Matt G with the Raiders, Mark B with the Eagles, Tim C with the Steelers, Mark B with the Chargers, Joseph W with the 49ers, Mickey B with the Seahawks, Mark B with the Rams, Mickey with the Bucks, Mark with the Titans, and Mickey with the Redskins. I'm going to let you guys pick the box. All right, guys, we got two piles. Pile 1 and pile 2. First to 3, we'll get it. Uh-oh, we got 1, 2, and 1, 1. Another one. One more and we're doing the ones. One it is. Alright guys, 1, 2, or 3. First to 3 gets it. 1 is the top, 2 is the middle, 3 is the bottom. 1, 2, or 3. 1, 1, 1. 1. Golfing being difficult.
Oh.
3. Those are a couple of numbers there.
That's the show. That was my
7,
jam.
6. 3 it is. Bottom box is the 3. Alright, good luck to everybody in this break. I wish that I could open this up and there'd be 32 separate NFL jerseys in here for everybody, signed by everybody's player, but unfortunately, there can be only one. I'll do it real slowly for you. Ease in there. Oh, it's a red one. You guys see it? You guys make that out? Any guesses? Hockey? Come on, guys. Look at this.
Whoa.
And my boy Mickey's going to be happy he paid for everything. Because I think this one has the stats on it too. I'm not going to take it completely out. I'm just going to peek just a little bit. Yeah, look at that. It's a stat jersey.
Wow. That is beautiful.
Jan Stenerud. Look at that. It has all the stats on the bottom there.
Wow.
Look at that.
After all of that.
So that is for the Chiefs. Aren't you happy we worked that out?
One. Who is it? Who's the player?
Jan Stenerud. Can't say his name properly. Sorry to all the Chiefs fans out there. Nice jersey. Thank you to Blowout Cards for distributing these boxes to me.